Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're popping right into the makeup tutorial. Right now I'm setting my eyelids and I'm getting ready to do my eye makeup. Please, if you're watching, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be so glad to have you guys join the family. Now I just set that concealer with my blending sponge, my beauty sponge. Yeah, gently, and I'm going in my marykay foundation and I'm just using that for my face. This is a really summery kind of look, so I was going for something dewy at the same time matte, so this foundation is really nice. Now I'm going to my Kids Beauty concealer palette and we are highlighting our under eyes, and now I'm blending that in. This is a tip for like people that have like wider nose. If you want that like thinner nose without the contour and everything, just highlight the nose. It's going to help. And I was going for a light simple makeup. The makeup look is actually simple, but then at the same time it's a full face of makeup that you can use for date night, going out, like all these parties you want to go to and you really want to do your makeup but you don't want to wear too much. This is the perfect makeup for you. Now I'm just blending that in. You blend it gently. As you can see, I made a mistake here. It wasn't too like blended out, but please don't follow my mistake. Just know that you have to blend in every harsh line, blend it in properly. Now we're just going to set all the places that we concealed and highlighted with my Sasha buttercup finishing powder, setting powder, and this time I'm going to be dabbing it into the skin. I didn't have like time to bake and everything, and this is also really nice. Also, if you're preparing for an event and you don't have the time to like bake and everything, this is perfect for you. Just like take a generous amount and be careful with the amount you take. Also, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Now I'm using my Usha's professional eyeshadow palette and I'm going with that nude light shade on my eyelids. This is my go-to eyeshadow. Like, this is what I use every single time and I highly recommend, especially for we dark skin girls. We really need this kind of like nudish kind of like colors, neutral colors that fit our eyes. So yeah, I'm going into that palette again and I'm going for the darker shade, the darker nude shade to like increase, like pizzazz the eyeshadow. It helps the eyeshadow pop more. And I'm going in the wing direction because I really wanted to like extend my eyeliner a bit. I didn't want to do like the classic eyeliner look, so I just extended it so it would complement the eyeshadow. Now this is a hack for all those that don't have like cream blushes. Just get your red lipstick and pop that on your cheeks, just a little amount because there's a limit to how you use cream blush. So use that to like stain the part of your cheeks and then blend. This will help like to give you those rosy cheeks effect. And as you can see, I'm blending that into my skin really well and making sure to like eliminate any kind of harsh lines. Now I'm applying a little bit of cream contour to, like, you know, bring the girls in. So now I'm blending everything smoothly in to my skin. As you can see, you all should take note, especially for beginners, the steps for applying makeup. Do your eyes first, prime your eyelids, and then you'll start with your full face of makeup. Now I'm just setting my whole face with my Zikel powder. So after that, you highlight under your eyes and conceal all the blemishes or everything that you don't want to see. You don't want under your makeup, like hyperpigmentation and all that. And then before everything, you have to apply primer. I forgot to show you guys that part. Always have to moisturize and apply primer before everything. Now I'm just setting that my contour all over my face, my forehead, and my cheeks, just anywhere that needs contouring, the part that the light doesn't like highlight and all that. So yeah, these are the steps for beginners. Now I'm using my Kiss Beauty gel eyeliner to line my eyelid. An in-depth tutorial on how to apply eyeliner is going to be coming up soon, so please don't make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified when I post that video. So the steps in applying makeup for beginners include your brows. They are essential. They film your face. Then you prime your eyelids, do your skin prep, your primer, your moisturizer, and all that and whatnot. Then your foundation. Then you conceal your under eyes and the areas that you don't want like your blemishes to show. Always use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin, and for contour use a concealer that is 2 shades darker than your skin. So that is the steps that you need to take. Then you go into your cream blush, and then you set your under eyes and the high points of your face. Next is your eyeliner, whichever particular order you want to do. Now I'm just highlighting like my cheekbones and the areas I just want to pop whenever, like when I go under the sunlight, you get what I mean. So we'll be popping and be slaying. As you can see, the weather is so hot, like my makeup was about to, like, I was feeling the heat. I was feeling it. This is just something that you can use for the summer. Make sure to always line your lips. It makes so much difference. Like, it makes a big difference when applying your lip gloss, whatever lip combo or whatever you want to do to your lips. It just accentuates. If you want like the bow, cupid bow shaped lips, anything, like eyeliner and lip liner is the best, is the way to go. So yeah, this is just the little lip combo that I used, and I'm using my beauty rush lip juice lip to like go over it. It's really glossy, and oh my gosh, like it lasts for so long. Like even after I was done with the makeup and I came back and everything, like even when you clean it, like it's so moisturizing. You will feel it, like you will literally feel it. So now I'm setting my whole face with my Baroness setting spray. Yeah, we are done with the makeup. Guys, this is the completed look. Yeah.